Hello everyone, welcome to the stream. It's a pretty chill Friday night. I hope you're just having fun. I was actually not planning to stream today, but then I was like, well, I got nothing else to do and I got like 1 hour to kill. Well, I should probably sleep now, but I'm not really yeah, I mean I can do better stuff in an hour. Can just steal my sleep for Rust, I guess. So that's why I like started this stream. Yeah, feel free to say hi in the chat. I don't know, man. I don't think not a lot of people watch this stream, but yeah, you know, the timing is kind of weird. I mean, Friday night. I mean, people will be having fun, doing probably more fun stuff than watching the stream. But let's see. So what we're gonna do right now is there's one project that I want to check out, and I've been planning to actually try this out for my presentations. It's called tui-slides, and I want to check this project out and also contribute to it because I think it has some areas that need improvements. So I'm just gonna do that right now on the stream. So let's just get started. I mean, is there anything that is holding us back? No, let's just jump right into it. So this is the project, tui-slides. It's a terminal presentation with modern TUI capable to render images in terminal and so on. Okay, just gonna clone this. I actually have this clone somewhere. Okay, I have it, but is it the... I changed the format a bit. I'm gonna restore this and check if I'm on the correct remote. I'm gonna pull the latest changes from main, as always. Okay, now we got that. Okay, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna actually first take a look around and see what this is all about. We have some environment variables, tui-slides config, tui-slides data. Well, we have a config too, which is, I think... wait a minute. What is config actually? Is it being created automatically when I run this, or what is this? Oops. So to run this, you need a JSON file which has the slides. So if I run it with the talk example, you'll see that here we have the slides, and I guess it's also creating a config file somewhere, or not. I'm not really sure. Let me check. There should be a config actually. So config, oh, here we have it. I kind of missed that. I don't know how. So the config contains the key bindings. I'm assuming this is here because they use the component template of Ratatouille to create the project, and the component template automatically have these key binding stuff and other config related configurations, and actually it gives you some boilerplate to work with. So I'm assuming that's that, and that's why we have them here. Also, we have some other stuff here too. These are not really relevant to what we are doing actually. These are just coming from the template. Okay, components is also not relevant. Enums might be interesting because enums actually have the types that are used in the slides, and I'm assuming these are generated from the JSON file. What is layout? Layout is simply slides layout and content and so on. Okay. Okay, this is pretty straightforward, and on main we are using async here actually. Not sure if that's needed. Like, do we actually need an async code here? I'm gonna check it out. I feel like this template can be like further simplified, but yeah. In the TUI we have some TUI handling simply, and that's about it. And yeah, actually the first contribution that I can make to this repository might be bumping the Ratatouille version. Oh, there are a lot of dependencies. Wow. What is Rustix, by the way? I don't know. Rustix is IO save POSIX file. Why? Where do you use this, man? You don't even use it, to be honest. Like, what? What is syntax? Okay, the entrance to to this documentation is not very efficient. It just says welcome to the whatever. But I want to know what this thing is. Yes, of course I can read the README. Jesus. Syntax highlighting. Okay, got it. Syntax TUI. Okay, that's also interesting. Let's check what this is. Syntax TUI is a lightweight toolset. Oh, alright. It's actually nice. Is it also a part of the syntax repository as well? Is this also here or? Okay, that's weird. Is it a separate repository somewhere? If so, why there's no repository information here? That's kind of weird, isn't it? Rust dude here from Zimbabwe. How are you, fellow Rust dude from where you're streaming from? Hello, Mohammed. Big shout out to Zimbabwe. I'm streaming from Turkey, aka Turkey. How's it going? Okay, where is this this repository of this this crate? There's at least like the author information somewhere, right? Okay, where is the repo for this, man? I should probably search on GitHub. Okay, there we go. It was kind of hard to find, but I found it. Syntax TUI. I gotcha. Who's this guy? Okay. Cool. Oh, that's nice place I wanna come to someday, inshallah. Yeah, bro, inshallah. If you come around, just let me know. If you come around in the capital, I can help you get to some places and, you know, can give you some advice to, you know, where to visit and so on. So just let me know. Just make in there before I go to I cannot read because of the UI. Oh cool, network mapper in Rust. That sounds interesting. Do you have the GitHub link for that? I wanna check it out. Okay, so what I was doing, I was just taking a look at stuff at this point, but I'm actually gonna check the outdated dependencies here because I feel like, why do we have libc here? I mean, it's kind of weird. Libc is not directly used anywhere, or is it used? Okay, it's used in here. You can just use one here, come on. It's just a... Ooh. The code is not formatted. Is there a way to disable Rust FMT? I'm not really sure, but just gonna remove the unnecessary dependencies actually, because I feel like there are a lot of unnecessary stuff going on there. What was the other one? Rustics? We don't need that. I haven't uploaded it, started last night on it. I'll show you. That's why I'm... That's cool. I'm just gonna move the prettiest assertions to their dependencies. Just gonna check if this is correct because I'm not fully sure. Okay, this is correct. What else? We have log and tracing at the same time. That does not sound good. Because I mean, if you have tracing, why do you use log here? I'm just gonna remove log and use tracing instead. What are you working on? There's this tui-slides tool. This is for making a presentation in a terminal. And I wanted to use this for my upcoming presentation. So I'm like, at this point, just checking this out and kind of, you know, I'm planning to submit some maintenance PRs to it. But right now I'm checking out the dependencies and fixing some stuff here and there. For example, I realized this project has many unused or unnecessary dependencies, so right now I'm basically removing them. Because I mean, 400 dependencies for a tool like this is kind of a lot to me. So yeah, I'm just removing those things. I removed the log because we already have tracing, and I realized somewhere in the code there was tracing subscriber stuff going on. I'm just gonna fix this import. Making tools while you're quite a seasoned Rust developer. I wouldn't say so. I'm just hanging out and trying to like make this, like, put this tool in a better shape, so to speak. Because I mean, I really want to use this, but with the current state, it's kind of hard. So Tokyo util, do we use this? Okay, we use this one. Strip ANSI escapes. Strip ANSI escapes. We don't use this one. Just removing... Oh wait, we do. Okay. Oh, Ratatouille version is pretty old on this one. Oh wow. Okay, I'm just gonna move stuff around a bit. Try to have a more structured manifest for the project. And yeah, human panic and color air. I'm not sure if we should use both here because okay, I guess we can. How about image? Why do we use image here? Image picker, dynamic image, and so on. It's mostly PNG files, right? So maybe I can disable some features of the image crate so that you won't get like a lot of unnecessary dependencies on that part too. So just gonna go and say that, you know, it has this version, default features false, and the features will be only PNG and JPEG, because those are the two prominent formats that we use mostly, so you don't need other stuff. Lazy static. I mean, this might be replaced with what was it? There was this new type that we can now use in the from the standard library. I remember, but we can just probably replace that with a type. But I can't remember its name. But anyways, I'm just gonna leave it in for now. JSON 5, why do we have this here? Okay, JSON 5 format. Signal hook. Okay. I guess we can just leave them in. I'm just gonna move stuff around a bit. Base 64, why do we have that? We don't actually need this, do we? We can just remove it. Okay, removed. What else? Saturday, we probably need that one. Directories. That's for project configuration, right? Okay. Derived deref, what is it? Derive deref. I don't know what this is actually. This doesn't look quite right to me, to be honest with you. Oh, 4 years ago last commit. This is not needed at all, I think. I'm just gonna enable dark reader so that you won't get flashbanged every time I open up GitHub. Okay, dwrite deref. It's kind of a legacy looking thing. Not sure if we still need this though. So what this is doing is, thanks for our eyes, no problem. So what this is doing is actually like a little shortcut, I guess. Do we even like use this somewhere? I mean, deref. I guess we do. But is it being used in Ratatouille templates? Because that's the important part actually. Because if we do, then we should definitely consider. Okay, we use it. Man, the component template has so many dependencies. I don't really like it. But it's component after all, so I guess whatever. Clap, we can leave that in. Okay, this is the final dependencies table. I guess I can just trim it like this, and that's that. Let's see if this is actually working still. Okay, this is failing. Now, okay, we have some slides. All right. It is working. Next step. might be being able to, you know, quit this because it's, oh wow, this is really slow. I'm not sure why this is so slow. Maybe it's because it's rendering images in the terminal, or maybe it's because I use the debug mode. But either way, it's kind of slow. Okay, so I want to update the other dependencies too, because I saw that there are like a lot of outdated ones. Okay, clap. I'm just gonna slap the new version here. I mean, I don't have time to look at the changelog and stuff like that. I'm just gonna slap the latest version. And cross term, gonna check that out later. Image, we can just upgrade. Oops. I'm like doing this manually because I don't want to use cargo update, which actually updates in the cargo log file. I want to be able to do this in the cargo toml. Update image, lazy static. We don't really need this actually, but okay. Lazy static. Maybe now they recommend using the standard way. Okay, connection issues. Now we are back. Okay, I was just asking. Yeah, there you go. Officially deprecate lazy static. Lazy static has served the common developer, and now we have one cell. Okay, so now we can use once cell or once lock instead of lazy static. That's cool. But for now I'm just gonna leave this in. Maybe later I can just refactor the code. But that's good to know. Guys, no more lazy static, we just use one cell and one lock from the standard library. Don't forget that. Okay, ratatouille image, ratatouille, and Serde and Serde JSON. Those should be pretty straightforward. Serde and Serde JSON. Strum should be also non-breaking. Tokyo, let's go with the Tokyo ones too. Tokyo util. Virgin. Okay, those should be enough actually. Let's see if those still compile. Okay, now since I updated the image crates version, there's a mismatch between the image and ratatouille image. So I'm just gonna update ratatouille image too. What was the version? By the way, the command that I'm running is cargo outdated. I just have like an alias, so I do C, J, and O, in case you're wondering. So ratatouille image is now 1.0.5, and let's check if it compiles. I don't know what they did, but the dependency count just increased to 422 from 389 or something. That's not really good, but I guess you can just check out the changelog to see what happened there. To the image, maybe they added another dependency there. I'm not really sure. There's no change log. God damn it. How do I find out what has changed? I mean, guys, if you like, don't be like this, okay? Just go to my project, getcliff.org, use this tool, generate the changelog. It's great. Don't just do this, okay? Okay, how do I figure out what has changed here? So open up image dependency. Okay, it's not related. Add more terminal. Okay, drive, debug, export. Shit, I don't know. Okay, slide builder. There's one deprecation warning that I will just fix now. Oh, these comments are not super nice. Image IO reader became image reader now. Wait, what? What did I do? Image reader. Oh, image reader, okay. Let's see if this is working now. My CPU's dying. So many dependencies for just a simple terminal slides tool. Maybe I can get rid of Tokyo. I mean, why do we have Tokyo in this? It's crashing when I resize, and the issue is the size is not correct, because if you remember it, the original version was something like this. So this is the original one, but when I updated the dependence, what? Okay, I guess it's fine. I don't see any difference. Okay. Alright, I'm not gonna question it. That was a high Zen bug, so okay, I'm not questioning it. It's working fine. There are a couple of other dependencies that I want to upgrade here too. For example, Ratatouille itself, it's pretty behind. This crate is pretty behind actually. We are now on 0.28.1 and cross-term is also the same version as Ratatouille. I didn't actually realize it, but okay. So Ratatouille and cross-term is updated. I'm just gonna make sure. Okay, this is the same version. They are both updated now. This will probably fail to compile because I have this crate there, and also this one might depend on an older version. Yeah, like I said, it failed. Sorry. Too big text. There are like a lot of sorry, there. If I remember correctly, there are a lot of breaking changes in too big text, which might be a bit of a problem to work with. Okay, big title. We don't need to unwrap it. There's no error handling on big text anymore. I can just return it from this function. What else? What else? On slide builder 2. Slide builder. Big text. There's okay, there's no unwrap now. You know what? Maybe I should build this tool from scratch, because I feel like this is getting to a point where it will take more time to actually maintain it. But anyways, I'm gonna just finish what I started here. Is this renamed to area, or what is this? It takes an area and renders everything there. Size. I'm not sure what's going on there actually, but it seems like in app.rs tries to get the size of the tui, which actually returns the size, but size no longer returns an area. Instead it returns a size, which is, yeah, I mean, expected, right? I'm gonna check the component template, because that should be fixed there. Ratatouille templates, component generated, and in here I'm gonna look for component in components. Oh wow, there are actually a couple of ones. Maybe I should look for async event run, and here it's still using tui size actually. Wow, are we still using like an outdated version of Ratatouille here? Oh, not really. Component init. Oh, they changed the changed the argument to size instead of rect. So it's gonna take size instead. But well, this is not being used anyways, so should be just fine. But just to you know, fix the compilation error. Okay, now we passed the size there. Oops, did I wait, what? Oh, there's a trait definition, right? Okay, I need to change the trait definition, sorry, trait implementation as well. So going to the slides.rs, going to line 211, changing this to size, and that error should be gone now, and we have new errors to work with here. Alright, so in slides, somewhere in here, it fails because this highlight line is coming from syntax, and syntax is probably not updated at this point. Let me go to cargo tomo. Syntax tui, where is it? There we have it. If this still fails, what we can do is actually go to syntax tui itself and okay, this is a problem. Syntax, sorry for your eyes, but god damn it. I'm not liking this. So the problem here is that Syntax TUI create is using a different version of Ratatouille than the one that I want to use here. So there's a mismatch between those, and basically says that, hey, I want to import a span from Ratatouille, but from this version, and then the other one says that, hey, I don't have that span, I have the new span. So it doesn't work, basically. What I want to do is, oh my god, how do I? This is very problematic. Not really, actually, but okay, I want to not that I want to, but I need to contribute to this repository because it's using Ratatouille 0.27. We need 28 here, so gonna do that. Basically gonna clone this, git clone syntax tui, boom, going in there, bumping the Ratatouille version. Hell yeah. What is this doing actually? It's just a librs file with some tests. If it compiles, then I'm just gonna open a PR. Man, I was not expecting this to see a lot of dependencies here. Wow. I'm still considering of rewriting this tool from scratch. But either way, I guess I'm gonna use these crates. While I'm at it, I can also update the RS test version. Let me run the tests. I'm curious how many Rust projects actually depend on this grade. If it's only just this tui-slides tool, then it might be pretty safe to do version jumps and breaking changes. But K- is using it. I'm not sure what this is. I never seen this before, but it looks actually cool. Thermal scratchpad inspired by the HeyNote app. Okay. Is it pronounced as Todd or something? But this is cool. I'm gonna share this on my socials tomorrow actually. I'm kind of like these type of tools. Okay, so this one is depending on the syntax TUI. K- is also depending on it, I guess. Let me actually see. K- is pretty popular, man. It's for Kubernetes, and it's using Ratatouille 0.27. Okay, so to be safe here, I might actually have a condition where I say it supports either 0.27 or anything that is released after that. Maybe to be safe, that might be sensible. That might be a sensible thing to do. So yeah, I want to take a look at this example. Ratatouille image crate. So this has a condition where it says you can use this Ratatouille versions. So I guess it is pretty safe to have this condition here too. And to confirm this, I'm gonna actually import that on my cargo toml. So I'm just gonna give the path to syntax tui and Now it should just compile. While this is compiling, I'm gonna switch to a new branch. Dependencies. Okay, this is not working out as expected. Maybe I'm still using the old version of... Yeah, I'm still using the old version of syntax tui. What happens if I explicitly say that this depends on this version of Ratatouille? What happens then? Well, at some point all the crates should just upgrade to the latest version, right? So I'm gonna keep it bleeding edge and use the latest version of Ratatouille here. Okay, now it compiles and it will probably run fine too. Dependencies. The error message is killing me. Okay, it's running. So I'm gonna bump dependencies. Maybe I can just copy. Upgrade Ratatouille version and bump dependencies. Okay, gonna create a PR on this repo, create a fork. Hey, just updating some versions. Would be nice to have a new release after this is merged. Cheers. Okay, what the hell? What the hell? Can I just save this, please? Nailvim? Jesus, okay. Submitting that PR to syntax tui. Okay, now we kind of wait for this, I guess. This is not super good, but I mean, yeah, it should be fine. Is this guy active in the community? Because I don't want to wait a lot. So maybe for now, just to keep going with this, I might use the Git version and have a note in there. So I'm just gonna say that use the Git version, but not from here, from my fork. Also, the revision should be, or the branch should be short bump dependencies. I wish I used a better branch name, but I guess whatever. So now, what the hell is going on? Is this revision? No, I think it should be branch. Failed to get whatever. Could not find. Is it revision? Okay, it's rev. No. Sure bump the oh, okay, there's a typo there. I should have used underscore there. Okay, now it's building fine, and alright, there are just two deprecated method. warnings, which we can fix very quickly. Area, and this should be area 2. Area. Okay, now it should be fine. And checking out the dependencies again. Can I just bump this? I hope there isn't much breaking changes, but let's just check. I hope they have a changelog file. Where's the changelog? Okay, they have at least releases. Okay, this is now very helpful. I mean, release 9 of the Virgin tool. Shout out to all the virgins out there. Shout out to everyone who's a virgin and using this library. Okay, how am I supposed to find out what the hell changed? So I'm just gonna run this whatever, man. Are we using Virgin anyways? It's in the build RS. Why do we have this? Okay, it's for passing some build info, but if you're not actually using this, okay, it's in the version message. What did I do wrong? Fail to select the version for Virgin. Okay, Git feature is not there. Maybe they just removed the Git feature. I guess. Git oxide is also gone. Okay. Bro, this is not easy to... It's not easy to update these dependencies because they don't have proper changelog files. So we don't know what the hell has changed. So maybe they have it in this directory. Come on. Bro, where's the goddamn changelog? Okay, features, build, Rust-C, and so on. Okay, this should be fine. This, I mean, they completely changed the API though. That's kind of not fun. This is... It's only using build and git. So it should be just git is default, I guess. And which variable are we using? Oops. Virgin git describe virgin git describe. Okay, I guess that's part of the build one. Let me be out and continue my build to catch you later, brother. Take care, Mohammed. See you around next time. I'm just gonna copy this. You don't need cargo, Rust-C or CI, whatever that is. SI. And yeah. Now they should just add the build info, but there's no like git variable. Like, how do I get that here? Git describe. I mean, maybe it's a part of cargo, or god damn it, I should have just read the documentation here, man. I'm just pretty much stuck with this. I'm not liking this at all. Okay, do I have the build feature there? Yeah, I have build and cargo. Maybe if I add cargo, that would be fine. I don't know. I'm just freestyling at this point. Cargo. Come on, please work. Oh my god. I'm sure I have some other projects which depend on this one. So I'm just gonna copy stuff from their configuration. So in this build RS, oh, there's a all git one. Okay, all I needed to do was all git, right? That should be it. Oh, first, for some reason I spawn another rust analyzer. Hold on, I'm just gonna kill that one. It's not very efficient that I use multiple NeoVim instances with multiple rust analyzers. They're just killing my CPU, to be honest with you. Oh man, I look so sleepy. Jesus. Oh, come on, just work and let me be free from this. Okay, all git. There's no more of that. Oh my god. What was the version? I don't remember the version. 0.9 or oh, just 9.0, okay. No, I'm the only project that depends on that specific version of version. So what I'm gonna do is, you know what? I'm so sleepy to find the correct piece of code, so I'm just gonna search GitHub, man. I'm gonna search the whole universe for this. I really need the power of gods here in my hands. Oh, migrating to V8 to V9, okay. Now we got the correct document. No way, I need to add another dependency here? No. No. I'm not gonna. Actually. You know what? I'm just gonna do it. God damn. It should be a build dependency. So instead of virgin, we use virgin gigs, and we add the gigs builder there. My PC is dying. Okay, we add that. Did I just get a notification from Discord? Or was it a part of the song? Because I don't have Discord open right now. Discord is not running. Okay, we don't need the cargo feature because we don't use it. Now it should be fine because we added the specific git crate for the virgin. So virgin gigs should handle all the git stuff for us, right? And that should be it. Yeah, finally. What's left? I want to update all the dependencies at this point. Saturday and human panic, those should be just very easy. Oh wait, there's a Saturday 1. Okay, that's fine. Saturday and human panic. That should be. Oh my god, there's another breaking change there. Also, we gotta go to their repository and find some instructions as well, I guess. Okay, human panic. This is what happens when you don't update your dependencies, guys. This is what happens. You just have to deal with a bunch of stuff at the same time after some point. So please update the dependencies. At least use like dependabot and, you know, regularly track it and try to try to update the deps. Okay, now everything is up to date. Hell yeah. Very nice. One last thing that I will do is get rid of lazy static and use once cell. You rust one cell and one cell lazy. So lazy static, we use lazy static only here. And what we can do is it's defining a bunch of stuff actually. I won't write this code, so I'm just gonna go to ChatGPT. Fuck it. ChatGPT. Turn this, remove lazy static and use once. Wait, this is one cell crate, no? Wait, this is wrong. Well, this is now stabilized now. Rust one cell. Yeah, this is now in std. Luck. And use once luck and once cell. Okay, I'm just gonna copy this. Please give me the correct code. This is pretty long. Is this the actual usage of it? Please Please don't tell me that it is. Well, this is pretty long. I don't like this. This is too much code just for. Okay, maybe I can just live in one lazy static for now. But if there's an easy way, just tell me. I cannot really read code at this moment because I'm kind of sleepy. But let me actually check again. Ask ChatGPT to make it shorter. Yeah, sure. Make it shorter. It's still long. It's because of the. Wait, this is actually not right. Okay, I'll try to read the code. Static one slug new and really my brain is not working at this moment, so I'm gonna leave this in. Well, maybe I will come back to it later. So yeah, I'm gonna review my changes here real quick. Okay, new chore. Happy Friday. Happy Friday to Jcraft too. How's it going, Jcraft? Bump steps. Bump steps and clean up. Okay, what's the commit? It's almost can time. What do you mean? Short bump dependencies and clean up this. Oh, time to start popping cans. Only can that I have right here is just the water that I'm occasionally drinking. So yeah, that's my fuel. That's enough. Bump dependencies and clean things up. Clean out. Bump dependencies and clean dependencies. Or clean up and clean. Guys, writing commit messages is hard. Bump dependencies and oh fuck, I cannot even type. And I can't even type. I swear this is just water. Okay, this is just water. I swear, it's not freaking vodka or anything. Dependencies. So just me a better commit message. Come on. Sure, upgrade dependencies on gym. Okay, this is good. I'm just gonna go with this one. My guys over the top is just water. Hell yeah, man. That's what I'm talking about. How can I prove that this is just water? Man, look at this. I have this like five liters of vodka. No, just water next to me, sitting next to me. I just drink that sometimes. But yeah, update dependencies and clean up unused ones. Clean up unused. Whatever. You know what? Whatever. Okay, just enter my password. GitHub repo set default. Whatever this repo is. And create a PR. tui-slides. Overall maintenance. Currently, unfortunately, this is currently blocked by this thing. Submit this shit. Let's go. Okay, I'm gonna take a look at this tomorrow. This lazy static thing, I really cannot do it right now. Take some time. Okay, syntax tui and so on. Now we have this thing. Okay, so I'll share my plan for this project. First of all, this is not quite in the shape that I want. Mainly because this is using JSON. I want to use TOML, and this is how the slides are looking like this right now. This is not good. This is not readable at all. This is very hard to edit and so on. So what I'm gonna do is actually put this in TOML format. Have these coordinates, like maybe. So I don't want to type in the coordinates of the widgets in a file to show them in the slide. I want to have like a designer view where I can just move things around and resize things and then, like, you know, have the coordinates. That way this can be just easy as, you know, just launching the designer and then copying stuff over to the file and so on. Right now it's not like, it's not running, it's not even close to that, so it's very hard to add new slides and so on. And this is, I feel that this has been designed to just, you know, just to show that this is possible, and not like very like super production ready. I mean, it feels like that. So I'm gonna fix those things tomorrow, and also like refactor the code a bit, because I mean, I feel like everything is all over the place. Maybe it's because of the because I'm like not familiar with the component approach in TUIs. Maybe that's why. I'm not sure. But yeah. So those are the future plans for this thing, because I really want to like use this. I'm actually curious if there's any other like terminal slide tools that I can utilize that is like written using Ratatouille, because that's the point. I want to show the power of Rust and Ratatouille while, you know, having a presentation in the terminal. I can go ahead and use the slides thingy, but it's Go. I mean, if I do this, where's the, like, you know, where's the magic, you know? So not good enough. Oh man, they have really good SEO. I mean, Terminal Trove is my sponsor, by the way, and they really like pop up on Google and everywhere. Really good SEO stuff on their side, so shout out to them for sponsoring me, and like, you know, having a list of tools that people can browse, and yeah, that's pretty cool. Terminal slides to Rust. Present term. Present term. I remember this one. I packaged this one too, I guess. It's in Rust, and is it using Ratatouille? Guess not. Should be just cross term, right? Yeah. Maybe I should use this one. What does an example look like here? So this is just a markdown file, if I guess it right. No? Okay, source demo. This is kind of good actually. This is doing a lot of things in a better way. And also you can export presentations to a PDF. Oh wow. Okay, I maintain this thing in Arch. Present term. I'm the maintainer of it, right? Yeah. But I never like used it like extensively. It looks pretty sick. I might actually switch to this. Because I mean, just wow. Is it using Ratatouille though? Nah. I guess you don't really need Ratatouille to, present in terminal. But yeah. I mean, overall, it would be really nice to put this project in a better shape. I mean, at least with like Tomol and like, having like a designer thing and so on. I need to give this thing a bit of thought, but that's my final comment on the topic. So yeah, gonna kill Rust and Laser as always. And yeah, guys, say hi in the chat if you're still watching. For some reason there's some delay. Okay, I'm trying to fix the delay here. I guess I'm gonna just go to bed. What else can I do at this hour? You have the coolest slides ever. I'm not sure if anyone's still watching the stream, but I'm just freestyling at this point. Okay, I need to decide between present term and tui-slides. I mean, I wish present term had Ratatouille in it, but unfortunately that's not the case. Look at the figures, they look super cool, Jesus Christ. Wow. Okay, I will just go to bed now. Everyone who's watching the stream, or anyone who's like watching this after stream, I hope you are having wonderful time in your life. I hope everything that you wanted is just happening right now. And if that's not the case, keep pushing, man. Keep pushing. It will happen. Alright. Take it easy, everyone. Have a great Friday night and a great time writing Rust. Good night.